Hello and welcome back to SKEWB. Having for a long time you will be seeing videos in Tamil, so now it's time for some English. So now I will just tell some tricks to for your friends with this Rubik's cube, and then you will be learning some patterns including India flag. So it will be very useful. So don't miss it. Watch it till the end. First, let us learn some tricks to for your friends, and then afterwards you will be learning one hand solving and the tips further. After that, some patterns you'll be looking at here, including India flag. Okay, first let us learn some tricks. Trick 1, very easy. If you're already well in solving frequency, you will be able to do this very easily. R it's okay. Just try doing this 5 more times as you have done it one time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, and then it's 6th time. When you complete it with the 6th time, the cube will be automatically unscrambled. It will be scrambled and it will be unscrambled again. So it is one of the tricks to make your friends good. Let us learn trick 2. It also has 4 modes and you repeat it for 5 times. That is totally 6 times. So this is F, R inverse, and then this will be F inverse, and then R. We are gonna repeat the same. That's all from trick number 2. Let's learn trick number 3. These are the same 4 moves. You have to repeat it for 3 times. That is 6 times. R inverse, D inverse, R, D. If you don't know the moves, also just follow me. If you know very well, it's good. R inverse, D inverse, R, D. Complete it up to it will be unscrambled. It will be scrambled and then it will be unscrambled again. Now that's it. There are trick number 4 and 5, but I will just make it after this. So this is the next trick. This is very simple. You can just see this is a cubular cube. See this cubular cube, the upper part of this is facing orange. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do with my trick, I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, this piece alone, not the whole down layer. So it is very simple. I think you may be aware of this M inverse, M, E, E inverse. If you don't know, just look at it again. M inverse, M, E, E inverse is okay. So now let's look at the trick 4. So this is very simple. This has just 2 moves and it will be you have to repeat it for 8 times. See, M inverse, U inverse, 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 M inverse, U inverse. So see this, it is just turned 190 degree. So what happens is it will just twist the piece like this when it comes to, see, M inverse, U inverse, M inverse. See, when I'm doing this U inverse, it changed again. When I just do it continuously, when it comes to up, it is just again twisted to 90 degree. So it is just happening like this. This way you can just show it to your friends and have some fun there. Okay, now let us see trick number 5. And if you watched CUBE video, that is the trick solving video in my channel, you will be aware of the formulas, just look at it. You may be seen in other channels too. So this trick is R inverse U R U2 R inverse. And then this is a formula. You know that what it will be doing is, just a second. Yeah, if it is like this, for solving the upper layer, that is to assemble these edge pieces. Blue, red are already assembled. To interchange these two, you will be doing this formula, and then it will be solved after doing a U. So the same here. So we have just done with the formula, and then now we have to do U. Okay. Now again do with the formula and U. Again with the formula U. And again with the formula and U. This must be repeated for 4 times so that you will be getting the cube solved. So let's look at the next trick. Yes, okay, we shall be able to see trick number 6, I think so. Yes. So this is also very simple. If you have just seen CUBE ENG in my channel or in some channels, this formula may be known. So this is U inverse L inverse U R inverse U inverse L. So we are gonna repeat it for 2 more times to make it fully solved. Yeah, we have just done with this. So the formula is displayed here, so you can just notice and then you can just complete the process. So we will just learn the next trick now. So trick number 7 is really easy. So for the trick 1, you have done with R inverse U inverse, right? So for this one, you are going to do is for the left side, that is L inverse U inverse L inverse U inverse L. Repeat it until it is solved. Totally you need to do it for 6 times. So it is completed. So now you are going to learn for trick number 8. So 8 will be you have just done for this right side, right? That is in the trick number 6, it seems. This one. Yeah, I think you would have done this for 3 times and then it will be solved. Yes, okay. So now for the trick number 8, it is slightly different. What it is related to the same but slightly different. See? First you do the right side formula, the same it will be displayed on the screen also. So the next you are going to do it for left side. Whatever you have done, you are just going to do it opposite. U inverse L inverse U R U inverse L U R inverse. So done for the left side. Go for the right side. Now left side. Right side. Left side. And then complete. I think totally you will be doing this. That is right side 3 times and then left side 3 times. But what it is it, you can just scramble it for just this one time, this one time, this one time, this one time, and then for the last 2 times, that is 1 time right and 1 time left you will do. So that alone you can just do in front of your friends so that you can just get a better. Let's look into the next one. So now we have just done some 8 tricks for this. So now let us look into the patterns. I have 2 patterns normally, and then the 3rd pattern would be the Indian flag. So the first pattern is really simple. M inverse E M E inverse. That is what is that is R inverse U inverse. We are going to do with the center layers. Okay, just remember like this. It would be very simple. So after this you can just see this is known as a donut pattern. See the centers alone would be interchanged. So with the same side, if you do next time it would be here. And then for the last time it would be in the right place. That is totally 3 times to do to make it solved. Okay. So now let's look at for the pattern 2. So the pattern 2 is really simple. See, first you are just gonna make this middle layer 2 has no name, but you're gonna do this. So after this, your cube looks like checkboard pattern. This is known as checkboard pattern. See, it looks very good, really good. So for making it again, you can just do anyway. First you may do E and then M and then this layer. So it will be resolved when you do 2 times like this in all the middle layers. So that's all from this. And then now let's see about the indent part. First, for that you need to know to solve the cube. For not knowing also, I will just teach in the next one. So now let's see. For this, first you have to keep orange side as your friend, and then move your downline like this so that the green comes here for this, and then turn the cube to the blue side, and then just turn this R side so that the blue gets 1 white here, and then just make it to the orange side to just make it look like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna move the orange side along to here, and then this side up so that it gets both the blue up and then a green here, and then you're just gonna move for the orange one. It's pretty simple if you learn this. So just rewatch the video again for this alone. I'll just give the timeline in the description box. So for solving this, first move the orange side this way, and then move this left layer down, and then it's very simple. Above this 2 white, see, 1 white and then 2 white. Bring it down and then solve this. It's very simple. So next would be by now we will just I will just tell you some tricks to solve it in one hand. So solving it in one hand is slightly impossible for the beginners, but the way you practice, the result you get. So first, what you are gonna do is the same formulas and tricks. The same formula will be used for one hand also. So you can just click here or in the description box. The link is available to solve 3 cross 3 if you don't know. If you know also, see what first you are gonna practice is R inverse, U inverse, R inverse, U inverse, R inverse, U inverse. You may notice I just sometimes touch there, but if you just practice, it may not happen to you. So the best hand to solve is left hand for this. Why I'm telling left hand is most probably you will be using this RU, or most probably you won't use this left. This left is for this last step alone. See, this step alone you will be using left. So right is the major one. So it is easy to make it in the little finger of left like this. This R should be you have to do it with this little finger like this. And then for this U, you have to use this hand like this. See, that is this index finger like this. For U inverse, it is really easy. Index finger will just come like this. That is easy. So and then major move will be most probably you will be using this and this. For in the second formula, you will be using this. For that, what you have to do is you have to hold it like this. That is, this thumb finger must come here, and then you have to use the index finger for the same also. This F also you have to do it with this alone. For R you are having this. For F you are having index finger, and for U and U inverse you are having it. That is the major one. For L, what you are gonna do is you are gonna hold the cube like this without the support of index finger, and then L like this. See? It will also come to you when you just practice. Again, I just assure you that M or E you won't use in C4 if you are a room method learner. I don't know how to say for that room method. For C4 it is easy with the one hand if you just practice. You just practice for that and then comment your results soon. So next one will be a meeting in the